To assemble the Golpart Rolling Garment Rack with 3 shelves and 1 clothes rod, screw the 4 casters into the threaded holes on the lower poles. Tighten them down with the included wrench. Pick a height for the lower shelf and put plastic clips on each pole at the same height. The clips have an arrow that points up. There's a raised lip on the clip that goes into the groove on the pole. Push the 2 halves together. Set a shelf over the clips and decide where you want the 2 locking casters. The shelves have a top side. Pick a height for the next shelf and position 4 clips at the same height. Set a shelf over the clips. Connect the middle poles to the lower poles by screwing them clockwise to lock them in place. Connect the top poles into the middle poles. Position 1 clip for the movable hangers below where you want the top shelf. Slide the hooks over the clip. Position the clips for the top shelf. Slide the top shelf over the clips. Connect the hooks to the clothes pole. The hooks face each other. Attach the hooks to the outside of the top shelf. Pick a location for the side stationary hooks and position 2 clips. Slide the hooks over the clips. The rack comes with anti-tip straps if you have kids.